Shout out everybody. The group is always ready.
Shout out everybody.
Going to work
Shout out.
night shift.
Shout out everybody out there. Be safe always. Stay safe. Stay healthy and strong. Oh, parang ulan yata.
Ulan ba?
yata.
Parang ulan nga.
The weather is not good. But we will always be good. Never mind the weather as long as we are together. Please.
Keep going, keep going.
Keep going. Just keep going sa life. Despite of everything, patuloy. Then, kailangan maging grateful tayo. Grateful tayo sa buhay. Maraming dapat ipagpasalamat na kami na ako, tulad ko, nagpapasalamat ako na despite of everything, may trabaho. Then, pag matulog, pagising, I thank God na for the gift of life. Yes.
Alam ba, kifalik?